Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see some more MCQs on lesson 2 banking. This is MCQ part 2. I have shared the video of MCQ part 1 of lesson banking. So with any further ado, let us start with the MCQs. Now in this MCQs video I have not solved the solutions for the given questions, but I have shared the answers below at the end of the video, so you can solve it and check the answers with the given answers. Check your answers with the given answers. Okay, so the first question here is Anuja deposits 200 rupees per month in a recurring deposit account at a 9% per annum and earn a total interest of 1764 rupees. Number of installments that she paid are. Okay, so you have to find N here. P is given 200 rupees per month. R is given as 9% per annum. Interest, the total interest has been given as 1764 rupees. You have to find N. So you can apply the formula for I and find N. Okay. Tushar has a recurring deposit account of 200 rupees per month for a period of 2 years at the rate of 7% per annum. The amount that Tushar will receive at the end of maturity is. So P is given 200 rupees, N is 2 years, that means 24 months, R percent is 7%. You have to find the MV, that is maturity value. Apply the formula MV equal to PN plus I, substitute all the values. Write the formula for I also. In the earlier video I have shown you how to solve the maturity value if I is not given, so you can again go through that video and solve it, and therefore can find the maturity value here. Question 3 is Hitambar gets 6260 rupees at the end of 1 year at the rate of 8% per annum in a recurring deposit account. The monthly installment paid by him is. So you have to find P here. Maturity value is given 6260. N is 1 year, that is 12 months. R is percentage is 8%. Find P. A recurring deposit account of 500 rupees per month has a maturity value of 9570 rupees. If the recurring interest is 8% per annum and the interest calculated at the end of every month, then the time in months of this recurring deposit account is. Okay, time in months you have to find. P is 500, maturity value is 9570, R percentage is 8%. You have to find N in months. Question 5 is Amit deposited 80 rupees per month in a cumulative deposit account for 5 years. The amount payable to him on maturity if the recurring interest is 6% is. So you have to find maturity value. The amount payable means maturity value you have to find. R percent is 6%. N is 5 years means 12 5 is 60 months, and P is 80 rupees. So find maturity value. Aryan opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited 2500 rupees per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity he got 67,500 rupees. So the rate of interest per annum is. So you have to find here rate of interest R. P is 2,500 rupees. N is 2 years, that is 24 months. Maturity value is 67,500. R percent you have to find. Question 7 is John deposited 400 rupees every month in a bank recurring deposit account for 2.5 years. If he gets 1085 as interest at the time of maturity, then rate of interest per annum is. P is 400, N is 2.5 years means 30 months, and I is 1085 rupees. R percentage you have to find. Such questions can be asked for 3 marks. Question 8 here is Jack opened a savings account with a bank on 17th May 1997 and deposited 950 rupees. He withdrew 300 rupees on 4th June 1997, and after that he neither deposited nor withdrew any money during the June 1997. What is the amount on which he would receive the interest on May 1997. Now it is a rule in a bank that for up to 10th of every month you have to deposit the money, then only it will be counted for the interest. But he has deposited the money on 17th May, so that is after 10th of the month of May. Okay, so whatever he is doing during that period will not be counted for the interest, so the amount calculated will be nil here. So answer 1 here in this case is the correct option. Question 9. Mr. Jain has a cumulative deposit account in the Central Bank of India and deposited 600 rupees per month. If the maturity value of this account is 24,930 rupees and the rate of interest is 10%, find the time in years for which the account was held. P is 600, maturity value is this much given, R percent is 10%, you have to find N. Mr. Gulati opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited 2,500 rupees per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got 67,500 rupees. Find total interest earned by Mr. Gulati and the rate of interest. So you have to find I also and R also. Okay, I and R you have to find. P is given, N is 24 months, maturity value is 67,500. So you can find this and check all the answers that I have given below here. Okay, so this was all for this video. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.